We're going to do some kidney rice. This is very, very spicy and delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what I've got there is 500 grams or about a pound of lamb kidneys. What I'm going to do is just cut it up into small pieces. So I've cut that really quite small. We've got 1 cup of onion, 3 cups of cold cooked rice. That's a basmati rice. That was cooked yesterday, been in the fridge. I always find it fries better, old rice. 2 tablespoons of garlic, a teaspoon each of coriander and cumin, and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. And you can see I've got quite a lot there. I think there's 12 chilies there. You can reduce that down if you want, but yeah, that's kind of part of the flavor. And I've kept them whole. Let's go. Okay, again, need a kind of wok type thing or a large sort of skillet. In there I've got oil. I'm using a mustard oil today. You could change that if you want to something with less flavor. Mustard oil's got quite a big flavor. We're going to start off by dropping in 1 cup of onion. The heat's on high. We're going to add in all of the fresh whole chili. Chop them if you want, but it'll be really hot if you slice them open. We're then going to add in the lamb kidney and 2 tablespoons of garlic. High heat, about 4 minutes, keep it moving. Okay, next up we're going to add salt and black pepper. And we're going to add quite a lot of black pepper. Maybe like a whole teaspoon in there. To that we're going to add our spices, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 1 cumin, 1 coriander. We're going to keep going here for another 4 minutes, stirring a lot. Keep it moving. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Okay, so you can see now I've been going on a really high heat and it's reduced down. You know, there's not a lot of moisture in it now. It's a bit drier. Let's go for the rice. Cold cooked basmati rice. I always find that works out so much better. About 4 minutes. Keep it on this high heat. Fantastic stuff. Fabulous. Off goes the heat. Job done. So that is hot, spicy, and really good. Well, a lot of people are not going to like this, are they? A lot of people don't like it. That's kind of offally kidney liver stuff. I love that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.